Are you stuck choosing between VLC Media Player and PotPlayer? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare two popular media players, VLC and PotPlayer. Both are great for playing videos and music, but they have different features and strengths. First, let's look at what they both do. Both VLC and PotPlayer can play a wide range of media formats. They support videos, audio files, and even streaming, so you can enjoy your favorite content without worrying about compatibility. Now, let's dive into VLC Media Player. VLC is known for its simplicity and reliability. It's open source, which means it's free to use. It has a clean interface and offers many features like subtitle support and video filters. Plus, it works on almost any device, from computers to smartphones. On the other hand, we have PotPlayer. PotPlayer is less known but packs a punch. It offers a lot of customization options. You can tweak the interface and adjust playback settings to fit your needs. PotPlayer also supports a wide range of codecs, which means it can handle almost any media file you throw at it. When it comes to key differences, VLC is user friendly and straightforward. PotPlayer, however, is more advanced and offers deeper customization. If you want a simple player, VLC is the way to go. But if you like to adjust settings and explore features, PotPlayer might be better for you. In terms of pricing, both players are free, so you won't have to spend any money on either option. In the end, if you want something easy to use, choose VLC Media Player. If you prefer customization and advanced features, go for Pod Player. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.